okay. My country people. Now me oh na bro MC2 is thick. I mean they bring this program called for now. When I know how we do and this is comment. So they bring program for now when they disturb us for our conscience. They water the country. Now we want to talk about this. And as we talk, wait till you self when sit down, they look me so thick. When they send the message there. Now see the Instagram, when I follow us for them. When they bring comment, they bring a suggestion. They could know what thing happen for the country, whether they play us like table tennis, make we self low. And make it not be said, now let me sit down for here, they talk, and so they see now they see my three people might tell their name. My brother sit down for you, it's not that person.
Don't worry, wait. I will do myself. My name na MC Talk Akpotubeke Kotiko Onyabere Atabefia Omogona Muruko Pro Wadaje Kokare one of Akpotubeke Tabulete Kingdom. Thank you. That's my name, Oga.
Your father give you those?
No, my great grandfather girlfriend. And I give you.
People na here go say name na Poro MC Doctor. And my fine auntie was now first one be like upcoming witch. Like say na mama water business sister as go take fine. There is not that person that you two go introduce yourself again.
Of course.
Of course. Okay.
My name is Lorena Achawasaki.
They sack people for
No.
As in lorry, they drive lorry, and not as
No.
Okay, sorry. My plan.
Alright, my country people, no problem. We have MC Talk here. He's a comedian, actor, and a hairstylist. And our sister here, Lauren, is no other person than. What do you do, sir? I beg. She produce liquid soap, and she the actress too for Ghana industry. The problem when they disturb us for our conscience, not be any other thing than coronavirus. Corona. Now people, we want to know because only waiting we dey hear for different people for different. The things I don't shift my conscience. That's why so my man has not been here. We go start with my sister for here, Lauren. Abel, sister Lauren. Is coronavirus real in Africa?
It's very real. Very, very, very real.
If you say coronavirus is real in Africa, tell us what is the coronavirus and how we go take prevent it?
It's a virus that affects the lungs. It takes from 4 to 14 days to show. And by prevention, we have to always wash our hands under running water with soap. And then afterwards, you have to, like with it, sanitize your hands. With hand sanitizer. And yeah, you can prevent it. No kissing, no hugging. You don't have to breathe someone in the car. You just have to use your elbow to breathe. Oh, you do this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes. Prevention is better than cure.
Okay, my country people, we are not hear from our sister. Now we want to ask MC Talk. Coronavirus, is it real?
It's not universal. Since I explain myself, don't let me reverse. So you think it doesn't matter that it was real? It's not real. Corona is not real. Don't tell me that. Even if I want to give, if I want to score the America, which is the foreign nation, I will give them out of other percent. I think that kind 15%. Better say na foreign country, we say that their immune system not strong. But Africa, lie, now big scam. And you can say, this one, so person dead, so person died. This country, 10,000 people don't die. This country, 15,000 people don't get infected. Lie. Okay, let me ask you something. You know person, where no person, where no person, where come no person, where brother person, where no person, where get corona. No! They have been deceiving us all over, and you are here believing. Believing what? The time you say one shake, you go shake, you go shake like you go do like this, shake, you go do like this. No kissing. Madam!
Are we fighting?
If I invest at the best my input, they come and say, let me invest. See, bros, this corona, now scam not be real. You understand? And you tell me say, the cock say the cure doctor say, I say you go eat man rat, which is a man rat where born you. The man where white born you. You go eat man bones, which is buffalo for Ghana hair. You go eat man corn. You understand? Everything man, I don't understand. So who's can cure? What come there? What is that?
I said the corona na queen coro, anti-coro. You want to chop man take the care.
You mean the same thing that you understand? So if something is fake, they say social distance. Now lie. We'll be entering taxi, buses, buses. If there's any English, if there's anywhere, anyone
Do you know that these days, if you don't have a nose mask, you won't enter a taxi?
Madam, lie. You are carrying nose mask. You say this is not fake. This is so. Now they say, see. Even this was I they open sometimes they drink alcohol because even alcohol say they wash them from the.
Why have you been drinking the alcohol?
No, alcohol is my calling. I drink alcohol for a living. Now I just think I help when they drink the alcohol, still they maintain the laws much more. You understand? If not corona, I lie. This is calm. I rest my case.
I got you people. Like I said, or harbor. We know the problem.
No. You're my good friend. No, you're my good friend. Calm down, relax.
No, now you go calm down.
Okay, sorry.
You go calm down.
MC, calm down.
Hey, my sister. No vessel.
I'm okay.
Okay. Now, he don't tell us that coronavirus not dey for Africa. You now tell us that coronavirus dey. So you say make we dey use hand sanitizer. They wash our hand for running water. Like the water go dey run for now.
No, like pipe water.
Yeah.
When it's running, when you open the tap and it's running, you wash your hand under it for like 20 seconds.
All these things are different things. So the same way when you wash on a hand with soap under running water, then you can sanitize your hand. Our brother here talk say, now lie you say na scam.
Scam! I dey market sef, I dey go market. We dey hug each other, I dey shake hand anyhow. So that's people say, oh MC talk, is this your say I'll kiss them? Now free. Nothing they can do, nothing that happen.
Calm down.
Thank you.
If they give kiss for free, yes, they kiss people anyhow for free.
It's my hobby.
Yes, kissing is your hobby. So in case una wey dey there now when they watch us, una see the talking, is coronavirus real? Lorenza said yes. Doctor said no. So wetin una think? Make una dey send us una comment. Follow us for Instagram. Then they wait for una. Make una dey send una comment. They come for dance small. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. All of them dey roll for una screen. Make una follow am. Abeg, make we go straight to the other news. We greet una.